What's up, boys and girls? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. What's up, boys and girls? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. What's up, boys and girls? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. What's up, boys and girls? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. How do I actually pop out the chat? Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How do I actually pop out the chat? Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working loud and fine. Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How do I actually pop out the chat? Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Bro, can you hear that? Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How about now? I actually pop out the chat. Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Bro, can you hear that? Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How about now? I actually pop out the chat. Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Bro, can you hear that? Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How about now? I actually pop out the chat. Alright. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Bro, can you hear that? Alright, guys, I just want to check if y'all can now actually see the screen. What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys? I'm good. You. How about now? I actually pop out the chat.
Alright, guys. So, as per expectations during CPI, we saw price following exactly as planned.
What's up, boys and girls? What's up, guys?
Got the
I'm
sales
good.
before the news right here. Right, even though price did spike up a little bit, right, guys? So it pushed all the way down. Expectations during CPI, it was supposedly to be at 130, but as you can see, this was my soft price following exactly as planned. Price came with precisely got the sales before the news. That's why I told you guys here. Right, even though price did spike up a little bit, right, guys? Here also again so another 100 all the way down. Expectations during CPI, so now that's supposedly to be at 130. As you can see, this was my soft price following come all the way down the bottom. Right, came with precisely got the sales before the news. That's why I told you guys here. Even though price did spike up a little bit, right, guys? Here also another 100 all the way down. Expectations during CPI, so now that's supposedly to be at 130. Price this was pressure to soft price right all the way down the bottom. Candle right came with precisely got the sales before the news. Right, broke all the way down. Drop with a base price on spike up right. So now price also announced all the way down. Expectations board right higher. So now that's supposedly to be at 130. Push it right. Why this was pressure to towards the upside, right? All the way around this candle, right? Profiling it out, subscribe, price again, spike up, right? So expectation is more here. So now the supposedly is one right, visualize why the upside, right? All the way around this candle, right? Profiling it out, subscribe, price again, spike up, right? So expectation is more here. So now the supposedly is one right, visualize why the upside, right? All the way around this candle, right? Profiling it out, subscribe, price again, spike up, right? So expectation is more here. So now the supposedly is one right, visualize why the upside. Okay, mic test, 1, 2, 3. How's the audio right now? How's the audio right now? How's the audio right now, guys? Sorry. Is the audio much better right now? Can't hear anything. Bro, it's Eminem. Nachi, hello? Bro, the reverb. Holy. What about now? All good now? All good now? Loud and clear, much better, all good now. Solid, now can hear. Sorry about that, guys. Right, better? Just now like football commentator. Alright. Sorry lah, this setup with Streamlabs, I don't have the ability to put my chats in one place as well. I literally called you to tell you to repeat on echo. Thank you so much, Gurvin. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. இப்போ அடி சரி ஓகே மறுபடியும் சார்ட்ஸ்க்கு போலாம். So as I was saying, right, the idea for tonight is for us to be looking for sells, right, and we want to target price coming all the way down here. Okay, so we got first entry sells on top here, second entry re-entry was here. Now we're trying to find the third re-entry. Now the reason why is because this level, right, that I highlighted for you guys right now, this is M30 creating a drop, this was your base which is the support, right, and now we are potentially breaking out. So if we break out, guys, that will be the confirmation that I'll be looking for, that price is about to drop even lower. And even on M15 also, we are about to get a trendline breakout. We are about to get an engulfing, which is a basic supply that is formed. So all this tells me that there's further blood in the market, and all of this is also supported by the fact that we had CPI data, alright, and CPI data came in bullish for USD. Right, they expected 0.2% core CPI, but actual data was 0.3%, which means that they are already making progress towards the rate cuts. Right, they are already making progress towards the rate cuts. So with that being said, that may just start a little bit of a downtrend on gold, right? A little bit of a downtrend. So now M15 has closed already. On this pullback, alright, 06, 07, 08. Those will be levels that I would potentially be looking to sell gold. So I'll have another sell set up right now, which will be something like this, right? SL, wait, let me just clear off the charts. It's a bit too messy. All these drawings is not needed. This one here also not needed. This one here, I'm going to just put it this side. Now we'll have another sell entry, which is right here. 2508, SL at 2511, and TP we're gonna try holding this till 2495. Okay, one very important key for us to look out for is on weekly. Alright, before we take the sell, I want to just share with you guys that on weekly right now, the way we get to confirm that this is a sell that would be able to go to our ultimate TP level, which is right here, is that we need to break below this OHLC level, which is at 2502.76. Right, so this will be temporary support form. Right, if as long price doesn't break this 2502.76 level, this will be price holding support here. Okay, for us to break below and go down, it's a marathon, because we need to break below this, and the moment we have broken below that, retest towards this level here as well, right, and then go all the way down here, right, retest again, right, and then break below, right, retest until we go all the way down here. 2485 will be the finalized price target for these cells. If
we go all the way down, alright, and we want to retest back weekly for HLC, right? That will be a potential scenario. So I would expect that to be the case because the data came in bearish for USD. We have gotten some bearish breakouts right now, and yeah, H1, M30, M15, M5 all looking bearish. So any pullbacks that we get for gold, these pullbacks, I would take it as pullbacks to sell. And yeah, we enter sell positions and we try riding in all the way down. My TP for now is at 2495. We will scale into a bigger position. So ideally, right, if price pull back, we sell here. SL on top here, price starts running, right? Just hold. The moment we get to this 2502 level, right, we will probably want to secure partials because this is a level where price can bounce from. So we secure some partials here, right? If price can show us a break below 2502, we re-entry balik dekat sini. Alright, we re-enter the sells back at this 2502 level and we expect price to push all the way down. Alright, so we are about to get the sell entry in a bit. It's approaching my levels in very shortly. This is already potential good entry levels now. So I'm gonna take some sell entries here right now. Let me just share in the channel as well. Wait guys, let me just forward the setup in the channel. So 08 210 SL, we could do SL at 112 lah. The 06, 04 and 00 and 02 and ultimate TP at 2495. Alright. Right guys, so I am selling gold right now. This is my entry. Entry has just triggered. Right, 2508 entry has just triggered. Let us see what happens from here. Right, SL, I'm gonna bring it up to 2512 lah guys. Right, so this setup, risk to reward is about 1 to 3 lah. Right, which is not bad. 1 to 3 is not bad. Right, 1 to 3 is okay lah, not bad. Do you about you guys lah, but you know this kind of zero floats all right, for me it's like, it's damn sexy bro. FM bro, FM, wait lah, FM at entry point susah sikit bro. FM once price dah tengah running, boleh. I will let you guys know. FM dekat sini sekarang, if we can break below 2505. Right, the moment M1 bagi closing dia macam ni bro, closing macam ni dekat bawah. Kalau kau nak tekan tu, kalau kau berani mati tu, kau tekan lah bro. Alright, kalau ada rezeki dia akan jalan terus. Right, so korang yang nak FM, you guys monitor this 2505 level. Price closing je dekat bawah, tekan. Tekan. Just give me a second guys, I gotta get water. Can I expect about 2 hours hold? I'm not sure lah bro. Wait, zero float lah guys. Zero float gila babi guys. legit, bro. Prefer the TikTok live, G. TikTok ban me, bro. I cannot stream on TikTok. This is the status with TikTok. Live access is suspended. So we have to do whatever we do. We have to do apa yang kita dapat kita buat lah. You can re-entry if price comes back to the zone, or you can add entries if price breaks below this 2505 key level lah. Right? Look at the precision, guys. This is the level that price literally touched and bounced off from. The reason why I'm saying the moment we break this, you can sell is because this is the only reason right now that buyers may potentially step in and may turn price towards the bullish sign. But the moment we can break this, then there's nothing that's going to stop price from going all the way down until 2495. Right, so this 2505 and 2508 levels are very key levels. So we want to see exactly what price does. That's 30 pips lah, okay, 30 pips. I malas want to claim yet. But 30 pips is usually my TP wajib already lah. If I'm scalping means then this is already sedap scalps. Procurate Discord can do live there as well. Guys, I know platforms that are operating for me to do live. That is the reason I'm on YouTube. That's the reason I'm on TikTok. I can do Zoom if I want to. You gotta understand that social media's algorithm is not the same on Discord. It's not the same on Instagram. It's not the same on Facebook. It's not the same on TikTok. It's not the same on YouTube. It's different, bro. Zero float and munching on crispy. That's when you know life is good, bro. I don't like the closing on M5, so I expect price to come back and collect deeper. Maybe this time somewhere around here, right, 2509. But regardless, my entries right now are here at 2508, so kita simpan je entry dekat sini. Kalau price, if price decides to push up, this black line is what I will use to layer, right? So I will layer here if price comes lah, right? If price comes. I will FM here if break. Macam ni baru ngam. Ngam tak ngam? FM means full margin, bro. Why are we selling at H4 demand? Is it H4 demand? Well, yes it is. Why are we selling? Because the direction is a sell, buddy. Right, the direction is a sell. And for today, I expect price to go all the way down to 2495 first to take out this liquidity here, because we've not taken out any liquidity yet. We did take out sell side, but we've not taken out buy side just yet. Alright, so I don't believe that the buys are here until or unless we can get like a proper change of structure. So if you guys can see right now, the sells that I'm taking also has an SL, that the moment we get the confirmation that this is already supposedly a buy, not a sell. Right, so yes, it's a H4 demand. Yes, it could be a buy. And if it is a buy, then fine, I'll lose 40 pips. But as of right now, I'm seeing M15, I'm seeing M5. I'm seeing a sell.
M30 and the filler rejecting quite strong, but we need to see where the filler closes. If it can engulf, right, if M30 engulfs and it does a drop, base drop, it forms a supply here, then I think we are good to go. We've another 2 more minutes to go, so let's see what it does. Let's see. M15 looks like a double bottom. Double bottom, bro? You mean this one here? Yeah, maybe, man. But I'm looking at this top structure for now. This top structure here is a bearish structure, right? So it needs to push right towards the upside. It needs to break out of this, and if it breaks out of this, then yes, we will definitely get a re-entry buy. But for now, I still look at it being sells, bro. Like I said, if you're buying, then trust your analysis. Alright, trust your analysis. I may be wrong, I may be right. Regardless, I'm still going to trust my analysis because I'm seeing a sell. But that doesn't mean that the market needs to go down, right? The market doesn't need to listen to me. The market can do whatever the fuck it wants to do. So if it wants to go up, it probably will go up. It'll probably find my stop loss. If it wants to go down, it will go down from here. I lost for CPIG, went for buys. Ah, shit. No worries, bro. No worries at all. There's always a recovery. Right, there's always a recovery. 25 pips. One more time. Pretty choppy price action. Should have listened to your setup for the news instead of my own. Bro, you did good. Right, you did good because you trusted your own analysis. It's fine, man. There's certain days that you win, certain days that I win, certain days that you lose, certain days that I lose. You could have listened to my setup today. It could have been like this, that you saw a buy, I saw a sell, and the price actually went up, and you listened to me and you sold, and you're like, I should have trusted my own setup. There's always two sides to the coin. There's always two sides to the coin. Right? So you did good. You trusted yourself, and that's all that you can ask for sometimes. Because many people, they don't even make it that far. Winning and losing is just part of the game, my friend. Not much we can do. Right? You can learn from it, that's all. Make sure you learn from it. Make sure you take a screenshot of the setup that didn't work out. You journal it down. You give yourself reasoning why didn't it work out. We have 10:30 new M30 candle now. This engulfed. I like the way the candle closed. Now it's just got to respect lah. Okay, if it wants to really break out respect, it will respect and it will push down. If this is just merely a manipulation, then we'll push to the upside. For me, I find the setup still to be valid. So I'm holding, and I will probably try to hold until we get the break below this 0.5 level. Okay guys, I'm still in the sells. Let's see where we go with this. Spreads super big. During the news, of course lah bro, that one you cannot expect much lah. That one LP, what price the LP gives, what price the broker gets, the lag time will be there because of the volatility during the news. Alright, so you can't do much about that. Unless you open up your own broker lah bro. I don't know man, this month hit the biggest loss and it's really taking a toll on me. It's very strange bro, the markets have actually been pretty good. Drop me a text bro, drop me a text on Insta, drop me a text on TikTok. Wherever you can find me, even if you find me on Telegram, drop me a text there. Guys! Guys! Oh my guys! My family! What's up? Wasabi! How are you?
How are you? My homies, running. We are running with zero float. We are running with zero. If this is not zero float, then I don't know what is zero float lah, guys. Right? 40, 47 pips. Just like that, my friend. Just like that, my friends. Close partials here, right? Close partials here. Wait. Another 55 seconds to go. Let's see. I will definitely try adding in some layers lah. Whether FM or not, that one I'm not too sure yet. Right, because one of our friends just highlighted that we are actually selling at the H4 demand. So for now, the fact that I just got 45 pips on this, I don't want to be greedy, guys. Alright, because greed always kills. So I'm going to secure some profits, secure some partials out of this, right, at 45 pips because it's so beautiful. Right, I just love this kind of setups. Right, 45 pips, instant, zero float. So I've taken some profits. Whether or not I want to choose to get into a re-entry sell here will depend on this M5 if we break. 13 seconds more. Doesn't look to be that cooperative. This level of support here and demand here is still holding. It's holding pretty strong. So if you don't get a break, then there's no second entry. Right, so for now, I'm securing partials. Move your SL to break evens. Right, SL at 2508, 2507.5. Let's see what happens. If we reverse back from here, I will look for another entry. Alright, for a fresh new, brand new entry. Another 24 minutes to go for H1 candle. Let's see. Right, as much as I want to capitalize on this movement for gold all the way towards 2495 here, I also want to play it safe. Because we are having a 3-day win streak. Guys, WFX Capital Club, WCC family, can you guys let me know from Monday, have we taken a losing setup yet? Let me know in the chats. From Monday, has there been even a single SL trade yet? Or has it all been all blues? Let me know. Can move my window. Can't see the numbers on the right side. You want to move my face, bro. You don't like my face on the left, on the right. You want to see me on the left, bro? Can lah, bro. You ask me so nicely, I cannot say no lah, bro. What to do? I'm such a nice guy, right? You ask me so nicely, I cannot say no, bro. So I move already, bro. W's all the way, Nice. Let's keep that going, bro. Right, so I want to maintain that. As much as you guys want me to maintain that, I also want to maintain that. Because for me, that's all very important. So I don't want to simply take a setup. Simply tekan, simply enter. Tak nak macam tu. Aku nak ambil setup yang memang dia boleh pergi. Kalau dia pergi macam ni, bosku. Kalau dia pergi macam ni. What missed your entries yesterday? Slept off. It's okay lah, bro. What can we do? Sleep is important, bro.
Sorry guys, I know it's a bit sendu sikit this live because there's no songs and all. Tapi YouTube dia problem sikit lah. Right, problem sikit sebab kalau aku letak lagu kan, nanti aku punya live dia akan masuk copyright, aku takkan dapat views bila masa I dah post my live. So boleh je kalau kita nak dengar lagu, tapi lagu tu macam non-copyrighted songs lah. So dia macam bunyi je ada. So macam sendu sikit. So korang dengar je lah berbebel. Alright, you just hear me speak. You just hear me talk all the way, that's all. Alright, it might get boring, just bear with me lah, just bear with me. As long as we end up with blues, I think it shouldn't be a problem. You guys don't mind hearing me talk. But if we end up in reds, then you're probably going to be a bit pissed off lah. I would be pissed off myself. Now let's look at a fresh chart, guys. I don't like looking at the lower time frames all alone. Why so sexy now? You see this first setup also that I shared with you guys yesterday. Chumeshwari. You know what is Chumeshwari? Let me go H1, guys. Did H1 already break trend? See H1 trend line. Tengok tak? Trend line breakout. You draw it like that also. Trend line breakout retest. Okay, so what structure this is? When you zoom out, this is a big bearish movement, right? This is your consolidation, 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 and you have a continuation, right? So breakout, pullback, the full entry. So ideally the price should come here, right? Price should come here if it wants to complete the structure. So this whole thing here, right, on H1, this whole thing here is one wave by itself. Alright, I'm not talking about elite waves, nothing. It's just a structure completion. Right, a structure completion which will happen here. Hey, why is all my boxes all different colors now lah? Nak tak nak, since it's already a breakout, since we've already gotten a newer lower low, H4 maybe hasn't confirmed it yet. H4 will confirm it once we break below 25032502 lah. Right, which is also the weekly OHLC level. Pecah je. The moment we break below here ni, you guys don't think of buying already, I'm telling you. Alright, don't think of buying gold already ah. CPI data also came out USD bullish already. You guys masih nak buy gold tak nak? Right, masa kita nak buy gold tu dah habis. This is last ah. Right, this point here, you guys mark it on your charts. Alright, this is last. If there is to be a buy, alright, price will buy from here. Tapi once dia dah break, once price dah pecah on M15 if it breaks, M30 if it breaks, H1 if it breaks, M5 maybe can manipulate, but M15, M30, H1, the moment it breaks below this level that I've mapped out for you guys or marked out for you guys forget about buying gold already. You guys will see demand. Ada demand dekat sini, oh boleh buy. Oh ada support boleh buy. Oh sini boleh buy, sini boleh buy. Jangan buy. Nanti kau punya account bye-bye. Jangan buy. Okay, dengar cakap. Once dia dah pecah dekat sini, jangan buy. Sekarang, kalau nak buy masih boleh lagi. Masih boleh lagi. Price boleh je. Dia boleh je pergi sampai sini. Alright, dia boleh je pergi sampai sini sebelum dia nak junam. Sebab when price came up to this level here, it didn't completely fill my sell zone. Alright, it just touched the tip of it. That's why I also didn't get that many entries. Okay, so if it wants to come, it can come collect. Right, 1.5. The same level that I sent you guys as a signal. That's the highest sell level, guys. Right, whatever the trades that I take is the trades that I share with you guys as signals. I don't know how blessed you guys are, because honestly, if I had someone like me to share whatever I'm sharing with you guys, like how I'm doing it right now, back to me when I was starting, bro, I would have turned profitable much more faster. And it's so the irony that this that I've drawn for you guys has like a pullback here, has like a I don't know, man. Sometimes it's magic, sometimes it's just technical analysis. Bro, nyanyi je lah bro. Nanti viewer aku semua lari bro. Aduh. So itulah guys, okay. I still have partial entries of sells at 2508, right, which we took together right here. Masih lagi tengah hold sikit, but I've closed 70% at 40 pips. Now from here, if price from here dia boleh naik, my next sell level that I would target is upon this liquidity getting taken, masuk dekat zone sini, mover nak sell balik, sell sampai dia break up, right? Some of you guys may ask me, bro, if you think price can go up all the way here, why don't you want to buy? The reason I don't want to buy is because for today, my direction overall is a sell. And it's a sell because H1 has already showed me it's changed character. So, when price, watch here, when price, alright, is in an uptrend, it's going up, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, higher lows, the moment we get a change of trend, right? The moment we get a change of trend and the moment we get a confirmation that price right now from being a bullish trend has now changed from a bullish trend to a bearish trend. Let me just make this a bit more precise. What you can do, or what some people may want to do, is they'll try to find for demand levels here, support levels here, alright? When price comes here itself, straight away, tekan, buy. So they can buy, right? Buy here all the way, sampai dekat sini, they want to hold pula, because they want price to go all the way up. But let's just say they take profits, right? If they can actually catch the bottom and catch the top, good. Your risk to reward may be a 1 to 1, maybe a 1 to 1.5. Problem is that sometimes when we are wanting to take this kind of setups, we are trying to get price to come all the way till the peak of the retest, tapi dia boleh sampai dekat sini and then it can reverse back down because price has already changed trend. So that's the reason why, even though I see price has the ability to go up, dia boleh naik, tapi it can come here, alright, it can come here, collect this supply or collect this supply and drop. So kalau aku buy, right, if I buy and I'm trying to exit here, it comes so close to my TP point, reverses back down, I lose no for no reason, right? And plus my setup would look something like this. Kalau aku buy dekat sini, SL dekat sini, right, and TP dekat sini, you see the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2, right? Risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2 versus kalau aku sell, right, kalau aku sell, I sell here, SL outside 35 pips, TP dekat sini pun dah 1 nisbah 3, right? TP at previous low, which is very likely to hit 1 to 3. Kalau TP dekat bawah, dah 1 to 6 dah, lagi padu, lagi zero flow, lagi korang boleh flip. Super blessed, Mr. Goyang-goyang. Goyang-goyang kalau kita buy guys, hari ni kita sell. So kalau kita letak goyang-goyang, nanti price akan Your top zone is also a H4 swap. I might wait that. Bro, wanted to ask if rate cut, wouldn't it make a currency weak? It would. But there's two ways to look at it. The first way, you want to look at it from a consumer perspective. When the rates are cut, just give me a second. Sorry guys, needed to get bottle of water. Right? So you need to understand it from two perspectives. Number one, when the rates are cut, right? From a consumer standpoint, if you are a consumer in the United States, you would prefer rates to be down. Why? Because then you have lesser repayment to the banks. If you're taking a car loan, a house mortgage, a personal loan, a student loan, your interest is lesser. The repayment is lesser. Right? So for a consumer, it becomes good.
Now when they are paying lesser debts or lesser interest to the bank, simultaneously what also happens is that they suddenly have more money. Now when they have more money, that equals to more spending power. So from the consumer perspective, currencies will strengthen. Why? Because more people are spending in US dollars right now. They have the capacity to do that because they are paying lesser interest. So they have more money, so they can spend more money. People that have more money end up spending more money. Alright? But then you think of it from a different perspective. You think of it from the investor's perspective. Investors would look for the highest interest possible. They want to invest in US bonds. Any high-end yield investments in the US itself, maybe the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, US 30s, whatever that is bonded with the United States, they want to see what can provide them the highest yield, right? So for them, it's not a good news. The rates going down is not a good news. So what are they going to do? They are going to take their money out from those bonds, from those yields that they have put their money in right now. They're going to plot in somewhere. Where do you think they're going to go? What is the safe haven? They're going to come to Mr. Yellow metal. So what do you think will happen to the price of gold? Right? The chainsaw reaction to this is that the fellow will fuck all the way down first. Right? Because these guys right now, they understand already rates have dropped. But do you think investors are stupid to buy gold at such a high price? You need to think, guys. You need to go down the realm of the psychology that will run through behind this, how market makers think. You need to go and think like that, right? They won't buy crypto at a high price. They won't buy gold at a high price. They will wait for the markets to crash, and when everyone suddenly thinks, oh, this is the end of gold, this is the end of Bitcoin, this is when the market crash is about to income in, that's when these motherfuckers will buy and take the price all the way up, right? So the simultaneous effect that you can see happening is the price of gold dumping quite a bit. Alright, 1,000 pips maybe, 1,500 pips maybe, and then from there a perfect recovery all the way until a new all-time high. So that's my personal perception, what I feel may happen during FOMC lah. So when Powell say rate cut, we FM buy. No. If let's just say that 2 o'clock rates, he won't say anything yet. What? If at 2 o'clock the rate comes in and it's lesser, alright, they have actually reduced it from 5.75 to 5.5 to 5.5 to 5.25. The idea should be we FM sell gold. Alright, we FM sell gold at that point of time. And then after that, if there's like sort of like a reaction that Powell actually says certain things, and this is, you know, not going to be the first cut, the last cut, there's probably going to be more cuts this year. The reason he's doing it, what the PMI data, NFP data, inflation data, all of that, price of gold can immediately resurrect and push towards the upside, or it will continue going down. But if that happens, you should FM sell gold, bro. At least that's what I personally feel lah. Right? Any chance gold goes up to 17 first, M5 supply, H4 BME and daily resistance. 1.7 is the paling peak already lah, bro. Right? For me, if you are wanting to take that levels into account, then your sell zone will start from 1.3 all the way to 1.7. So it's a 40 pip zone. Alright, I have filtered it down and made it like a smaller 25 pip zone lah. Alright, so same things that you're looking at. Right, I've made it like a 24-25 pip zone, but yeah, the zone is big. If you want to take this whole BME into account, can also tarahal. But there's no guarantee price will come and collect the peak at 1.7. It can collect the bottoms, it can collect the mids, it can collect the, you know, fairly even levels at 1.5, 1.4, and then from there drop down. But I think, yeah, we will get the retracement back to this 1.2 to 1.5 level. Right, so if you guys are buying, then great. Right, it's no harm. There's really no harm in buying it all. It's just that for me, the mental state that I'll be put in, I'm buying during a downtrend, I don't want to do that. I just try my best to avoid lah. Right, so we'll sell again here, somewhere in the middle here lah. Right, 1.4, kita SL dekat 1.8, right, SL at 1.8 and DP all the way down here. 1, 2, 3 is where? Here lah. Perfect, 1, 2, 3. G, 20 to 24 is a fresh supply. 20 to 24 is a fresh supply. Yes, it is. It is. But I don't think price is going to come today to collect that, bro. Alright, because the data is already bearish for US. Sorry, bullish for US. So this is usually signs that there will only be minor retracements in gold, and the overall direction is for it to continue pushing downside. So it is a fresh supply. You will monitor this level. Maybe during PPI the fill will come. Maybe during unemployment claims the fill will come. On Friday, what news do we have? On Friday, what news do we have? Okay. Prelim UOM consumer sentiments and prelim UOM inflation's expectations. Right? So maybe on Friday this will come. Because this news is always inversely related with CPI. So CPI today we saw gold dumping. Friday 10 o'clock, full margin buy gold. There's a high chance you might flip. Right? There's a high chance price might push to the upside. Very rarely this doesn't work out. So let's see. Might call it a night because mentally can't bear already with gold. I want to speak to you, bro. Alright? I want to speak to you. There's certain things that I need to share with you about how your approach towards the markets should change from what it is right now to what it should be. Alright? If you do not change that, then the outcome of how trades will be for you may not probably change. Right? So drop me a text on Instagram, drop me a text on Telegram. You can give me a call for a matter of fact, but I need to speak to you, bro. Alright? Because if I don't do that, you're probably going to be in this cycle or in this loop all the way around, and you're never actually going to benefit or see the bright side of things. I want you to see the bright side of things, because yes, it did take me some time, but now it's not difficult anymore, bro. Right? It's not difficult. It's just, I think the approach that you have towards the market is the wrong approach. Right? It's the wrong approach. So let's change that approach of yours. How much you gained today on CPI? About 1,400 plus USD, bro. Yesterday I got a motivation on IG Live. That's nice. Hi Movan, can you explain what is engulf fail? Engulf fail. Engulf fail is a supply become demand or demand become supply level, buddy. Eppadi show pandrathu? Trying to find for one for you, bro. Seri M15 po. You see, I'll draw it out for you, okay, bro? I'll draw it out for you, right? Drop, base, drop. This is your engulfing sell, right? A bullish candle kena makan by a bearish candle. Engulf, you want to sell when price comes back here, right? When price pushes up, engulf fail, you buy back here. Now, what structure does it remind you of? What structure does this remind you of? Drop, base, drop, supply, breakout, pullback becomes demand, push up. O, low, high, lower low, higher high, QM buy, pullback, fly. You call it engulfing fail. Some will call it supply become demand. Some will call it QM. Same thing, bro. Potato, potato. Alright, it's just your understanding. So if there's an engulfing level and that engulfing level fails, that engulfing level will then become an engulf fail. You re-counter back the position. If you took a sell, you then want to take a buy. If you take a buy, you then want to take a sell. But is it wrong for not taking pips into account but the USD you're running in close it? Yeah, it's fine, bro. It works, whatever works for you, right? It's whatever that works for you, bro. There is no right or wrong when it comes to that. It's just whatever that works for you. I mean, your life, G, you tell me to sell losses aside and come back from every day. That will help me grow. Oh, yes, sorry, Azim. I forgot it was you that I actually spoke to. Damn, Vinaka told she 50-50, so she didn't took more lot and she still got 500 USD. She is currently in a role lah bro. You know, they say when you ada rezeki lah. So she's tengah dilimpahkan with rezeki right now. So bless her lah, bless her. QM fail. Same stuff bro. Right, so again, if let's just say where do I take an example here? Okay lah, I can give you this example bro. Right, Tineswaran, right? Ipo, there is a engulfing candle here. Right, engulfing candle here. Yeah, either engulfing ingeta ni pathana, there is a bullish candle that dia makan. Right, this bearish candle kena makan by this bullish candle. Right, closure so on top, the full engulf. Right, so bila ada bearish engulf, bullish engulf, kita nak makin dia punya zone, kita ambil dia punya zone dekat sini. Right, this is a demand level. You call it bullish engulfing, some people call it demand. Right, some people call it support. Same stuff. With Yasoila, there's no difference. Right, same stuff. Now, when you're taking into account bullish engulfing, you might mark your zone body, shadow, depends lah. There's no right, there's no wrong way to do it. It's just how you do it. So if you mark your zone like that already, when price comes back, okay, demand is formed, price comes back, here you tekan buy. You tekan buy, price fly. Okay, mantap. Seri engulfing buy, take a buy here, price fly. Okay, bought at demand flew. Now, price break. Right, here you see price breakout of your demand or breakout of your engulfing level. Once the breakout happens already, you should know already this one no more buy. So when price breaks out of here, do a pullback. This is where you tekan sell, layer. Why? Because here also got engulfing, sell. Price collect precise level here, drop all the way down. So just a bit of what I can share with you lah bro, since you asked me a question and I just like explaining stuff. So yeah, what's the price of gold guys? Alright, I think we might just get another entry. Bro, you still No bro, my entry saw hit DE early. Now I'm waiting for this entry here. Right, I'm waiting for this entry here. My last final entry for the day. It's 11 right now. I can buy lah. Okay, can buy. I'm not saying cannot buy. Right now you want to buy, you got at least about 20 pips, 30 pips to like target. Right, but I want this setup 1 to 3 bro. Sedap bro. Dia boleh 1 to 5, 1 to 6 pun boleh bro. Aku nak setup yang ni. Right. So I don't know about you guys, because some of you guys that I spoke to, you're pretty insane, right? Pretty crazy. Some of you guys will hold floats up to negative 100 pips, negative 120 pips, and you're still holding. Like, I left that trading a very long time ago. Right, now for me, if a setup goes more than 40 pips against my direction, setup fail bro. Setup didn't work out. Right, but some of you guys are still holding negative 100 pips setup. Lagi aku layer lagi. As I am floating negative, I'm layering some more. I stop that. So now what I do is that I try to find precise entries. Tekan dekat precise entry. As I'm floating profit, aku lagi biru lagi aku layer. Lagi biru lagi aku layer. So that way, I can maximize gains even if I'm trading a smaller sized account. But you don't want to hold bro. You don't want to hold if the trade is already against you by more than 40 pips. Cut. Right? It's not so hard to press the X button and to cut. Just cut. Cut the trade. Find a recovery. Re-entry back. Alright. Let me just show you an example. You guys that are here right now. This is what happened to my account today. Right. I told you guys I was actually growing an account from $30. Right. So, this was today. Alright. Look at what happened today. This was the first trade taken today. Alright, on that account. I don't know if you guys can actually see. Can you guys see what's the status of the account? Can you guys see the negative that is taken? Ada boleh nampak ke tak ada boleh nampak? Let me see if I can make this a bit bigger. This was the first trade taken today. Right, the first trade taken today. cut loss, right? SL hit. Second trade taken, right? Again, cut loss, right? Third trade taken, again, cut loss. So from the account, from $30, it went all the way up to 500, right? And after going to 500, it's now back at 140. Now, this is situations that we have all been into. Somehow or other, some of us have at least been here once. Grow, padu, you very nicely grow an account, and just because of some trades that didn't work out, pop, it comes back to like where you started from. Or it comes back from the point of time that you feel like your life is ending. Now, Moven in 2022 or Moven in 2021, what he would have done is the moment the account from 30 went to 500, the moment it came down to 140, I'm going to just full margin and just, let go all my frustration and bust the whole account. Like, that cannot happen. But the Moven right now, I understand that it's just part of the game. Okay, why is it part of the game? Is because I cannot win over it every time. I try my best also, I cannot. It's just the law. Okay, this is your rules and regulations, your law. You cannot win every single time. So you have to take some L's. And these are the L's that I have to take. So after that, what did we do is that we took this trade. Right? We took this trade. Recovery a bit lah. Okay, recovery a bit. After this trade, we took this trade. Again, recovery a bit. And then finally, we took this trade. You guys can't see. Right? And all this happened within the same day. So now, for the day, I'm still down negative $33. But the $30 account is still up. It's at 469 right now. So it went from 30 to 140 to 300 to 500. And then from 500, it straight away came down to 140. And then from 140 now, it's back up to 500. So do you see how your graph is actually creating, if let's just say your trading account also would look something like this, where you're going up, you're coming down. You have to calm down. If you don't calm down, then it's not trading. It's the graph doesn't only go like that. It's not an exponential graph. It goes up, it comes down, and then it goes up, breaks above the highs, comes down, goes up, breaks above the high, and comes down. It's the same way you trade your trading. It's the same way your trading account also you treat. Nothing changes, my friends. Right? Nothing changes. Penat bro, dah kumpul banyak then when negatif. Biasalah bro. Memang tak boleh nak buat apa-apa. Right? Tapi kalau benda tu jadi macam mana? If that day kau punya rezeki kau tekan, trade pun jadi sebab kau dah analisis siap-siap, and memang kau punya rezeki lah hari tu. Kalau kau dapat, there's one series that I watch. This series is called Suits. Right? From this series, the main character there, his name is Harvey Specter. Some of you guys may know him, some of you guys may not know him. Right? Harvey always says, some people are worried about losing small. He's always worried about winning big. So, kalau kau punya mindset kan, all you can think about is how can I win big instead of how can I lose small. Your whole approach to trading itself will change. Tapi kau kena ada duit lah. So, if you're starting up, jangan nak fikir nak buat 10,000 USD lah, 5,000 USD lah. Collect your $20, collect your $50, collect your $100 and grow your bank balance dulu. Once benda tu korang dah buat, then you want to uplift to go towards the next level, it's fine, do it. But in the start, apa yang korang dapat, korang kutip je. Bro, talking about my life to holding 100 pips straight, in hopes it'll reverse. Jangan Abang Masli, jangan. Quit that shit. Quit that shit. What you say is true. CL early, don't carry the weight, be free from it. Betul. Sebab let me now I've already told you guys a lot of things that you can relate with. Let me just do one more thing. Alright, benda ni kan, how many people are watching? 66 of you guys are watching. I can guarantee that every single one of you guys yang pernah hold lah korang punya trade, alright, more than 50-60 pips of a float, I can guarantee this is how you guys actually feel. Alright, masa tengah float, negative 10 pips korang layer, negative 20 pips korang layer, negative 30 pips you layer, negative 40 pips you layer. 60 pips float already negative, negative 400 USD, negative 500 USD, you still holding the negative. Why? Because it will reverse, it will reverse. Okay, fine. Now the fella reverse. Your entries from all the way down to all the way up. Alright? You are at negative 400. Now the moment negative 400 comes down to negative 20 or comes down to positive, say positive 80 lah. Alright, negative 400, it went to positive 80. Now from positive 80, you're like, okay, this is where the fella will start dropping. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. From positive 80, it goes to negative 200. I know, I can guarantee that you guys have went through this before, because this is what the markets will do. It's no different. Everyone has the same story. Right, negative 400, it goes all the way down. Suddenly you see, oh, biru, oh, profit $80. From profit $80, you go back to negative 200. You're like, ayo, should I have closed at that $80 just now? Am I being too greedy? Why are my layers at the bottom there I never closed yet? Shit lah. Then after that, it goes back to zero. Right, it goes back to break even. You're like, you know what? I want to just get out of the trade. The moment you close, bro, the fella drop 100 pip. Right, this has happened to every single one of us on this stream. If it's never happened to you before, you're lying. Right, so why I'm saying all of this is because when you don't practice holding, right, when you just practice cut loss, you re-entry again above, cut loss, you re-entry again above. Bro, if let's just say that one time that you re-entered, that is your pucho, you don't have that issue. Your trade will continuously just float in profit only. You will be profit $100 and then profit 70 and then profit maybe 30 and then profit 70 and then profit 150. When you float in profit versus when you float in negative is two very different things, guys. Let me just tell you this. Right, I've been through both the psychology before. When you're floating in a profit versus when you're floating in a loss, it's two different psychology. When you're floating in a negative, you're like, you want to do anything that you can to get out of your drawdown. But when you're floating in a profit, you are maybe trying to safeguard that profit. But ideally, if that money is not that meaningful to you, alright, you don't have to use that money to pay your rental, to pay your car, to pay some debts, to pay loans, then it's calm, bro. You just ride the whole fucking trend. And the only way you'll be able to do it is you cut loss, you re-entry balik. You cut loss, you re-entry balik. Practice that. Trust me, guys. Practice that. Don't hold. Don't hold, don't hold, don't hold. Right? Technical haram too. Yes, bro. Traders in a nutshell. Been there, done that. Bro, it's everybody's story. If you guys ever tell me you guys have not gone through this, you're lying. Everyone has been through that because I have been through that cycle before, and I'm telling you, bro, it's frustrating. It's annoying. It's frustrating. Oh fuck, gold came into our zone. Alright. No, I still don't want to have entries here because it's too sharp. I want it to pecah. Right, I want it to pecah this 2512.93. The fella go a bit above that, then I want to sell. Alright, then I will sell gold here. Because if I sell from here kan, SL dia macam jahanam sikit. Right, SL dia macam jahanam sikit. 53 pip, nanti aku mati, bro. Can start selling now. I cannot say cannot lah, can lah. Tapi SL dia macam jahanam sikit lah, bro. 50 pip. Sakit oh kalau hit. So tunggu lah dekat sini dia 40 pip ke 35 pip ke. At least tak jahanam banyak lah. 11. I think maybe the sell will play off at what? 11:30 11:30, 12 o'clock. Janganlah. Santai dulu guys. Right, santai dulu. I will let you guys know when I personally start selling. I've not sold yet. Nagging like my mom, bro. I'm trying my best to get into your head because since last week Thursday actually I've been getting so many DMs on Instagram, on Telegram of people telling me, bro, can you please advise me what to do with my trade? I'm holding this trade. Suddenly I see open, bro, fuckers not running negative 120 pips lah. Some of them running negative 200 pips. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? What? Who are you following in the first place? When he says that some Sifu give SL 150 pip, I'm like, who does that? If your SL is 150 pips, bro, my younger sister who's 12 years old, 10 years old can become a signal provider. What account size are you using for this trade? $60, bro. I don't know if I will trade the account that I'm growing, but I'll definitely trade my scalping account. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is where I would personally start selling, guys. Right, this is where I would personally start selling right now. Alright guys, 2514, 2516, SL 2518 We can layer outside the zone a bit also, because the fella is known to always want to, like, you know, go manipulate a bit. 14, 16, SL 18, TP 2512, 10 and 08, and ultimate we leave it the same. Okay, I still expect price to come to that 2502 level or 2495 level. Your 2508 still hold on, bro. Bro, I'm no longer in that position. I long ago exited that position. Once we are already at 40 pips, I close half, set BE, bro. So price reverse back, hit BE, done deal, out. G, teach layering technique with the $60. Well, it's very simple, bro. What's my SL size? My SL size right now is from wherever I'm currently entering. It's about 35 pips, right? It's about 35 pips. So I need to survive from wherever I'm entering right now all the way until my SL. So the calculation here is simple. SL, right? SL 35 pips, right? ACC size is 60. My goodness, right? ACC size is 60 US dollars. Lot size max. Lot size max is your account size times by risk percentage, right? And you divide that by SL pips, or SL pips times by 10. So ideally your calculation, right, calculation is equivalent to $60 times 100%, because I'm risking the whole account. Kalau MC je lah, right? Kalau MC je lah, and divide that by 35 pips times with 10. Berapa dia? 0.18 kalau I tak silap lah, right? 60 divide by 100, sorry 60 divide by 350, So lots is basically 0.17 lots, 0.17, 0.18, right? 0.17, 0.18. So I can enter 17 layers of 0.01 kalau I guna account 60 USD. Dekat sini, dekat sekarang. So that's what I've done. Right, 17 layers. The moment 17 tu dah cecah, right, the moment 17 layers is in, I tak boleh dah tekan dah. Sebab kalau I entry lebih daripada 17, sebelum price sampai dekat I punya SL, before price goes to my SL, I will MC, and I don't want to MC before SL. I only want to MC at the point where this trade is invalidated. So until 2518, we can still sell. So I've gotten my 0.17 or 17 layers in right now. Tapi aku nak full margin. Macam mana nak full margin? Kita kena tunggu price buat something M1 ke, M5 ke. We have to wait. What do we wait for? Let's see. If price does that, then I can show you guys live. But if it doesn't do that, I can give you guys at least 1 or 2 hints lah. Right? 1 or 2 hints boleh je. But that's how you do it. But do these people deserve help because they are clearly not capable of logical thinking? I don't know if they're not capable of logical thinking, bro, or they just understand that that's how trading is. Like it's being brought like that by some other channels or some other groups or some other countries. I don't know. Like the Malaysian style is very different compared to the European style, but there are also various different kinds of traders in the Malaysian market. So I don't know, for them, they memang understand that if trading means, if I enter a trade, it goes 100 pips against me is normal. I'm like, that's the ideology that, I don't want to have, and I don't want anyone that I actually personally guide or personally coach to have lah. It's normal to have zero drawdown on your trade or minimal drawdown on your trade, but it's not normal to have like 100, 200 pips drawdown on your trade. Don't normalize shit like that. Macam sejam je G, H1 might sit this one out but my daily target. Kalau dah sampai daily target, buat apa nak trade bro? Kita santai je dekat live. Aku pun tengah trade account 60 USD sebab bosan kan. Got a crash right now. Yes, this live will be posted on YouTube once it's done. You can come and watch it tomorrow whatsoever. Will this trade be zero float? Gurvin, buddy, if I know which of my trades will be zero float, which one won't be zero float, bro, I'll be millionaire by now already, bro. Right? I can just do the same analysis that I do every single time. Right? But whether it'll be a zero float trade or not, I don't know. We just gotta let the markets do what the markets do. But as of right now, you guys can see again lah guys. Alright, again. Right? Again, kita dapat sniper. Right? Again, it's a sniper. So now, this fella here will be naughty a bit. Alright, this demand here will be naughty a bit. Price will come here. If the fella cannot break sini cannot break the fella bounce back from here, go up. And then maybe go SL. This has happened before so let's see how. M5 is okay, M5 is nice, but it can change at any point of time. Tengok lah macam mana. Tapi 20 pip tu, aku tak nak buat apa-apa pun, aku masih hold je lah. Alright, aku masih hold je lah. I'm willing to accept the risk on this trade, so santai je. Bro, do you do compounding of an account till 6 figure? I've only done it once before, which was last year October. After that I never tried, bro. Now I'm trying lah, bro. $30 lah, bro. Right, $30 I'm trying to grow to 100k lah. Actually, I don't have a limit. I don't want to set a target. We see lah how much we can grow until the end of this month. Kalau dia boleh sampai 1 million pun 1 million je lah. Right, but 30 USD aku deposit. I'm trying to make a statement. I'm trying to make a very very loud statement here to every single one of those motherfuckers out there who said that Forex you cannot make money if you don't have a lot of money. Well, I have $30 right now. This is what I can do with $30. That's all the money that I can afford. $30 times 4 point. Say you times 5 lah, bro. 30 USD times 5 is 150 ringgit. You go out clubbing with your friends. You buy 3 bottles of beers, or you buy 3 gin shots. It's already 150 ringgit. Or you buy 1 bucket of soju. It's already 150 ringgit. or you buy 7 cigarette packs, it's already 150 ringgit. That's the same 150 right now that I'm trying to grow. So let's see now what happens. What's the TP1 and TP2? Yeah, TP1 is at 2512, 20 pips, scalping TP. Then it's 2510 is 2508. That's the TP that I will share in Telegram. But since we are on live, what I can suggest you guys to do is have a TP wajib. Guys, can you guys that understand Malay and English, what is wajib in English? I can't think of the word. Mandatory. Is it mandatory? TP wajib? I think wajib is mandatory. I think that's the word, right? You have to have a mandatory level to secure some partials or to secure your profits. And this is especially if you're still growing a small account and if you are 50% profitable, 50% not profitable. That means you're working your way, that you're in that stage where you're grinding and you're hustling. Your mandatory or compulsory, thank you Damien. Your mandatory or compulsory TP level should be at 30 pips. Because when we trade gold, the nature of gold is that every setup that you take, as long as the setup is a valid setup, you should at least get 30 pips. So at 30 pips, you want to take money. Because if you don't take money, the fella reverse from the 30 pips point, waste. Not of money, but waste of time. Right? Waste of your resources at that point of time. So your mandatory or compulsory TP level should be at 30 pips. So the moment any setup can give you 30 pips, yeah, it's good enough. Collect partials, take 50% from that position off. If you've entered 0.2, take 0.1 off. If you've entered 0.5, take 0.25 out. If you've entered 0.1, then take 0.05 out at 30 pips. So we are up how many pips now? 27 pips, so another 3 more pips, you guys can secure some partials. I think this would be a good TP point lah. Actually, I like the way M5 is. M5 suggests a dump already. So you see, you get snipers like this. Right, very sexy. But total lot 0.17, that's all. So where do I add in the rest of my layers if I want to? Gotta decide lah. Right, I gotta decide lah. For now, I just want to still chill ni. 27 pips, kita santai. Alright, kita santai. And see whether from here the fellow wants to reverse back and go up and fuck me, or the fellow wants to continue pushing down. Bro, can I explain again how to mark the resistance levels? Like right now, 2515.17 to 2512.74. You mean the zone that I just got? You want me to explain to you the zone that I just got? Is that the case? This one here. Right. I want to learn how to be confident on my entry and exit points. You just gotta give it a shot. Right? You just gotta try. That's the only way. Many of us go hunting for the holy grail in Forex. They think that if they understand this one already right, then they'll be confident. Then they'll go full margin. Then their trades will become better. There's no holy grail. Today this might work. Today you might see zero float, so beautiful, come touch my entry and then straight drop. There are certain days the fella will go all the way straight to asset. So there's no holy grail in Forex. The only way is you gotta try. Okay guys, I think that's 30 pips already. Wait. A small detour. I'll explain to you guys how I got this zone. But a small detour because I think we just got our 30 pips. So I'm closing some partials here right now. Right. I am closing some partials here right now. mark the zone. Okay, so this zone was taken, right, by looking into this level right here. Okay, we have a rally, we have a base, we have a rally. So this is your demand, correct? So this is your demand. When your demand gets broken, it actually got broken by a supply, right? So the understanding here, what happened, right? The understanding here, what happened is that this bullish candle, right? It showed us that buyers are in the market, correct? When this was happening, it showed us that buyers was in the market, correct? And just as we identified then this level of demand for us to buy, right? When price actually came back here, whoever bought straight died, right? They straight died. Why? Because this was a fake demand created. So this was a level where there was manipulation that took place, right? So what we want to know is that this level of supply that was formed. Why I suka a bit now? Wait, the zone is a bit off. Let me make it a bit more precise. Okay, so this level of supply, after it was formed, was supposed to give us a good sell here. Correct or not? You have a rally, base, the further drop, price supposed to pull back and drop from here. No. Do you see this? Another manipulation. So I'm looking on a single time frame lah. If you go H1 maybe because of that there's something on top on H1, H4, maybe daily. I'm just looking based on M15 alone lah. Alright, so price ada manipulation sikit, again here. So when we break up manipulation entry lah bro, kan? So we use this as a base zone. Now what else? Can we find anything else here now? Is there anything else that supposedly be support the analysis here? M30 kita checking, M30 pun ada je demand. Alright, this demand here. Price broke and then price break out bawah balik. So demand retest can drop. Right, so these are all levels. Kenapa aku suka is because these kind of levels will give us zero float. Alright, and also on H1 same thing. Right, H1 demand, breakout, pullback, entry. Further come back for a re-entry means this one here also still ada lah. This zone we cannot use more than one time. This zone is a very nice zone, guys. Okay, whenever we have zones like this, aku suka, I love it. Why? Because this kind of entries all will run instant. Right, it'll run instant, but korang kena cepat kutip. Because it might not actually be the peak of the zone ke. It's instant. You tekan, there is a very high probability your trade will instantly run into a profit, but it won't go all the way down. It'll give you your TP wajib lah. It'll give you your 30 pips, your 25 pips, your 50 pips, sometimes if there's volume. Right now volume is sort of dying off. So if it comes back here right now, not to say that you cannot re-entry, you can re-entry, but the risk is higher lah. So when the risk is higher, what we want to do is we want to mitigate the risk. So we try to see how we can take entries at the highest point. Why? Why am I saying this? Because right now, I am the kind of person that I like to layer while I'm profiting, correct? So if I'm layering at the same place where I already have entry, it will serve no purpose, correct? It will serve no purpose. So I either layer if price goes further deeper into drawdown, which is slightly higher here, I will layer, or I will layer if price does a confirmation and breaks below. I will layer here, number 1, or I will layer here, number 2. Here, I'll just watch what price does right now. Santai, I already took my profits, right? I already secured some partials, right? So let's just watch and see what it does. So the places I will layer is above or below. Like I said, this kind of setup, while second entry is usually very high risk. That's M15 also, the fella fucker, the fella doing a rally-based rally right now. Mana kau nak pergi, bro? Mana kau nak pergi, bro? Kau tak break dekat sini. H1 tak break. But H1 will be closing in another 26 minutes. So this 12 o'clock will be a decision maker. Dia tak boleh pecah dekat sini. 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, 1. Dia tak boleh pecah. You cannot break here, my friend. If you break here, then it's a kadai already for the cells. You cannot change character. Okay bro, good explanation, thanks, no worries bro. Hey bro, do you swing trade? If you do, how many pips would your SL be? Bro, you need to understand my swing trades happens very unplanned. Right, very unplanned. And the reason why that is the case is that I don't have different SL for different trades. If it's a swing trade, that means I'm looking at weekly, right? I'm looking at daily, right? So let me share with you. Since you asked me this question already, let me share with you an example of how I identify a reversal swing setup, right? So gold, daily, right? So whenever I'm finding for a swing setup, I'm going to look for this. There's actually 4 combos, but I'll just share with you 2. Alright, I'll look for a weekly daily H4 combination, or I look for a daily H1 combination. Right, this information is shared in my ebook. If you've acquired my ebook before, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, but gold, it just created a daily H1 reversal swing setup. So I can show you based on the setup, because there's no standardized like, oh, if swing means I need 100 pips SL, or if swing means I need 70 pips SL. I don't have that. For me, SL is based on setup. It's based on the chart. What the chart is showing me, how much my SL should be. So it will be different. Every single trade is different. So for gold, if you want to find reversal, what we need is, a, first things first, valid SNR. So you see here there is a drop. I cannot draw with this. What can I draw? How do I draw this? Okay. So you see price created resistance here. Alright, then got second movement here, push down. Where is the second movement? You see a small bend over here. Alright, this bend here, basically price tried turning bullish, couldn't turn bullish, continued bearish. So ideally valid resistance level is all the way up here, 2521. Alright, 2521, and then you take the highest level into account as the shadow. Right, so this is all the things that I would do if I'm looking for a reversal. So daily SNR, kita marking dia punya SNR dengan rectangle. Okay, siap. So we got a daily SNR level already. Now what we need is, we need a change of character, or we need a perubahan arah. Alright, a candle that changes the uptrend to a downtrend. So this is your resistance level, and this is price pushing bullish, pushing bullish. Right, price is approaching the zone right now with bullish power. Now which candle here changes the bulls to the bears? It's this candle over here, this bearish candle over here. So what we want to do is that we want to mark this whole candle with a box, maybe of a different color lah. So let's just mark it with the yellow color box. Alright, make sure you get the peak of it. Where is the peak of it? A bit higher. Alright. Okay lah, boleh lah. You guys get the point, right? So I mark my daily SNR, resistance, support, whatever is, this is the resistance level, right? And then I mark my candle that in the SNR level changed from a bull to a bear, or from a bear to a bull, right? Now daily SNR, daily change of character, change of direction. H1 for your precise. So I'm only interested right now in looking for price action inside this point here, because inside here is what will tell me where will the swing happen. Not here, not here, not here. Inside this orange color box. Alright, the information is inside this orange color box. So I want to then go ahead and just mark out the highest, right? The highest peak, which on H1 is right here. Right, so my swing level for gold is at 2529. I can remove this, can make this zone smaller, 2522 to 2529, right? And that's based on your daily H1 level. So the idea would have been, you mungkin boleh masuk sales dekat bawah, SL wherever this high is, you plus 10 pips, right? You plus 10 pips. So if this is 2529.21, then 2530.21. You plus 10 pips from there, and your TP, maybe minimum TP would be here lah, right? Based on this support, and we already hit lah, right? We already hit that. Next TP for swing, bawah sini. So if I'm finding a swing, bro, these are all the things that I will do. Alright, but usually when I swing, I don't plan to swing. Aku masuk je entry, leave a couple of entries running after that sebab I'm already securing 70%, 80% whatsoever, the balance entries that I'm entering. I just set BE, aku biarkan je, tengok-tengok dah jadi swing. Tengok-tengok dah jadi 1000 pip, dah jadi 500 pips. So it happens very uncalled for lah. But it's never the 100% of my entries that are committed there. It's only the balance 15, 20%. Alright. So that's how you do it. So again here, SL would have been 77 pips. Alright, TP would have been 150 pips. But for me, what matters most is the risk to reward. So if you are taking a swing position right now, and you are trying to target price dropping 200 pips, that's your TP target, 200 pips, great. But your risk to reward is 1 to 2. What the fuck is the point to swing? If your risk to reward is 1 to 2, might as well you find on 20 pips SL setup, take 40 pips and chow. It's the same outcome you're going to get. Alright, so unless my swing can have like, you know, a risk to reward like this, 1 to 13 ke, or 1 to 7, 1 to 6 ke, 1 to 10 ke, then it's worthy of a swing. Kalau tak, skap je lah bro. I don't know if there's still 66 of you guys watching. I hope you understand, Kishan. Where is gold? Right. There you are. I say 1.5. They get a chance to layer, guys. Right, it came close lah. Right, it came very close. But for second entry, I didn't get a chance to layer. I'm still holding some though. We were only about 4-5 pips away. It's okay lah, right? Like I said, if it's able to break below, right, this 2510 level, kita boleh tekan dekat sini, right, layer dekat sini, breakout pullback entry, we can sell all the way down here. Alright, all the way down here. Yes, I am. Alright, perfect. Got it. Thanks, man. Appreciate. No worries. TF time frame. TF time frame meaning? What is TF? Okay, thank you. Thank you for explaining to someone. Learning Forex is just the same thing as doing a degree. It takes time to learn. Yes. And people are willing to give degrees 4 years for you to learn something and then go and sit for all the exams in the world, and then some of you guys fail and then sit back again and then pass. But for Forex, you want to learn within the same week itself. Appal Allah vardu vaila. Okay lah guys, 11:45. Trade pun dah zero float. Nak cari re-entry tak susah pun. Alright, you guys can see the structure already on M1. If you guys can't see the structure, that means you need to go and check your eyesight. Right, single top here, double top here, neckline here, demand here, pecah demand, pecah neckline, QMM M1. Alright, QMM M1, masuk balik zone nipis, senipis iman dekat sini, korang bedal dekat sini, layer, pop, sampai sini. Dan kalau korang dah kaya, if you guys buy a Lambo, just, you know, bring me out lah one day for just a normal road ride or whatsoever. Sebab aku tak ada Lambo. Right. Tapi bedal tu memang korang kena pastikan korang buat lah. Alright, so we break out here 1-0, pull back. I can give you guys the smallest to smallest zone lah. Zone senipis iman lah guys. Right. this zone I think is lesser than 1 pip. Right, lesser than 1 pip. Use this for your re-entry. Right. See, I just love how it's automatically drawn before I even draw the zone. Okay, but note this with gold. The first time below the filler come. Right, first time below the filler come later. I'm going to be off live already soon, so you guys pay attention to this. First time the filler will come, push down all the way here, but it will close within the zone. So at that pullback, don't sell yet. Not yet. Santai do. The filler will go. The filler will manipulate all the early sellers. Maybe collect somewhere in middle here ke, right? And then after that, the filler will come back down again. Break out. This time the filler break out, pull back, punca, kau bedal. Right, kau bedal, sampailah dia sampai dekat bawah. Right, TP for these cells. Kalau ada rezeki, jumpa korang dekat 2502. Kalau tak ada rezeki, mungkin dia hit kita punya BE lah. Alright, tak ada hal pun. Tapi kalau rezeki tu ada, jumpa korang dekat 2502. Right. I gotta chow guys, I gotta chow. I gotta be back home by 12:30. Right. Kalau let's just say there's an entry and I've not left office just yet. I'll let you guys know in the Telegram channel, but I gotta chow right now. Right. How to get your ebook, bro? Drop the admin a text. If you're in the Telegram channel, just drop the admin a text and say that you want the ebook. We'll let you know how you are able to get it. Right. How do you control your emotions to hold the trade? Sometimes I get 30 pips and I really want to close it. Then close it lah, bro. Have the account where you close the 30 pips, and then once you made enough money out of that already, you made enough profits already, you have another account. Bro, yeah, I can show you my GMI right now. It's just that there's a lot of private and confidential stuff there. I have about 18 accounts with GMI, 18 trading accounts with GMI. I have about 7 trading accounts with HFM. I have about 5 trading accounts with Just Markets. I have a couple with Exness. I have a couple with Vestrado. I have all these different trading accounts for different purposes. Alright, so the ideology that people have that you need to just trade one account and you need to grow this account all the way until you become like, you know, an orang tua and you have 1 million, 2 million ringgit. I don't have that ideology. I don't have that belief. I'm not succumbed to that. For me, I understand, okay, this account I'm going to sell and I'm going to hold. I can run 90 pips profit, run $180, come back to my break even, get my break even collected, and I don't feel anything because this account I'm supposed to hold. But then this account that I'm trading right now, I'm supposed to take 30 pips, I take, so I don't confuse myself. Alright, I set rules before I even take the trade, not while I'm trading. Ayo, 30 pips already, what should I do now? Should I close or should I take? I don't allow myself to get into the kind of positions because I know this account I'm supposed to take a trade that I can hold. This account I'm supposed to take a trade with 30 pips I close. So 30 pips you close on your scalping account. On your swing account, if you're holding the filler reverse from there and go hit your SL, you're not supposed to feel anything, bro, because you already made the decision before you took the trade. Not after you take the trade, then only you think, yo, now what should I do? No. Pre-plan. If you're getting into circumstances where you're scared, where you're uncertain, where you're unsure, it's because you're not doing enough planning. So spend lesser time trading and spend more time planning your trades, and then you'll see that you'll remove your fear, you'll become more confident. Markets will start speaking to you better because you know beforehand already what you're trying to do. I hope that makes sense, guys. Right? Thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you guys very soon. Yeah, I said it's at 18, correct. I said it's at 18. Peace out. One love. Wolf. Moving the wolf. Sign.